Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing the top 5 free AI tools you need to try in 2025 to boost your creativity, productivity, and maybe even change your life. Best part, these are completely free to start using. Let's jump in. First up, ChatGPT. You can use this for writing YouTube scripts, brainstorming content, answering tricky questions, or even getting life advice. Watch this, I just asked it to write me a video intro. Boom, done in seconds. Next is Canva AI. Everyone knows Canva for design, but did you know their Magic Design and Magic Write tools can create beautiful thumbnails, social media posts, and even logos just from a text prompt? Here I typed in bold tech thumbnail, and look at this ready-to-use design. For music lovers, Suno AI is insane. You just type what kind of track you want, like chill lo-fi beat for studying, and in seconds it generates an original song you can use in your videos. If you love digital art, Leonardo AI is your new best friend. It can create stunning illustrations or game assets just from your prompt. I typed fantasy landscape and this masterpiece popped out. Amazing, right? Finally, Runway ML is like having a pro video editor in your pocket. You can remove video backgrounds, generate clips, or upscale footage with just a few clicks. Here's me removing a background. No green screen needed. So, which of these tools blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and tell me which one you want a full tutorial on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next AI hacks coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.